Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G62, and today I will show you how we can bypass the Google verification on this phone, or otherwise called FRP lock. So in a second you should see that this phone for me is locked, and I could either verify the phone using pattern or Google account. But assuming we don't know either of those, I'm just gonna show you how we can completely bypass this and then also get rid of it fully. Now, while this is just loading the information, I do recommend you to progress through the setup till you get to the Wi-Fi connection page, and then find your network, connect to it, and go back to the first page. Now I'm just waiting for this to show me that the phone is locked, but it's taking a little bit too long. So, come on. I'm gonna give it like 20 more seconds, and if it's not... Oh, there we go, finally. So here you will see that the device is locked. There we go. So pattern, Google account. No way around it, obviously. Come on. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, verify your account. So anyway, let's get started. Like I said, you want to progress through the setup and connect to Wi-Fi. I have already done so. Once you connect, go back here to the first page, tap on the vision settings, and then we're going to select TalkBack, and you want to simply enable it. Now, it will start talking, so I'm going to mute it.
Back on.
I love the completely not subtle accent change there. But anyway, so you will see this little pop-up right here with the green outline. The outline just reads everything that is in it. It's not really needed. Because of the TalkBack, also whatever you select will now need to be first tapped to be selected and then double tapped to be confirmed. I'm just kind of putting that out there because we'll need to know how to use this later on. But on this page, you want to draw a mirrored L like this in that green box. This will bring up a window right here with the first option being selected while using apps, so just double tap on it, then tap use voice commands. And before we double tap on it, I'm going to quickly go into what we need to say, because this will be verbal. So you will first double tap on it. It will give you a beep that it's listening to you, and you want to say open Google Assistant. Then you will have two more beeps, one to accept it, one that Google Assistant is now listening to you, and you want to then follow up by saying open YouTube. And from there, I'm just going to open up YouTube. So I will do this right now, and you can listen how it's done. Additionally, I just thought about it, but you could kind of play me back to the phone and it should be just as good, I would assume. So anyway, open Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
So there we go. So once you open up YouTube, you want to hold volume up and down at the same time. Select turn on, then double tap, and hold the two keys once more, and this will now turn off TalkBack. So we can now use our display normally. So from here, select the account icon and navigate into settings. From here, we're gonna navigate to about, and then Google Privacy Policy, which opens up our browser. Select accept and continue, and no thanks, and you want to tap right at the search bar and type HardReset.Info/bypass. I'm going to type it in myself, and you can pause the video if you need a moment to basically type it in once you see it. So there we go. Now would be the time to pause. Select consent and scroll down to settings. Simply click on the image of settings, and once we have our settings open, you want to navigate to apps right over here, then select see all 40 apps or however many it shows for you. Tap on the three dots right here and select show system apps. Okay. Now that we see system apps, you want to select Android setup right over here. Select force stop and OK. I'm gonna go back once, and now we're looking for Google Play services. So just flick down till you get to G, E, F, G. There we go. So Google Play services right over here. Select it. You're gonna select disable and disable app, and force stop. Okay. And next thing we're gonna do is back out. I'm gonna back out once more. The main settings page. There we go, to this page. And you wanna scroll down to accessibility. Then you're gonna select accessibility many, enable it, and allow. Select OK. So now that we have enabled our accessibility menu, you want to now just start spamming the back button until we get to the setup screen. There we go. From here, progress through the setup. Now it looks like some more of our time will be wasted right here for just a moment. Let's select don't copy. And we should be now stuck on this page. Normally before it would show us that the device is locked in and we would need to verify it. But now because Google Play services process is turned off, the device has no services to connect to. So it can't actually validate if the device is locked or not. Thus it just kind of continues to try and check and fails at it and just goes back to checking again. So what you want to do now is press on this little button right here, the accessibility menu that we have added, select assistant, settings once it appears, and once you press on the settings, it will open up Google Play services, which you want to enable. Now the reason I'm just saying and not showing this is because this is only visible for a brief moment and usually just closes off and doesn't always open. So you need to keep on repeating this till you manage to fully get through the entire process and enable it. There we go. So once you enable it, you can then go back once. Just press the back button single time. I tapped on the screen just to get rid of the talkback or Google Assistant more precisely. And as you can see, it just goes further once you enable Google Play services without needing to verify any kind of pattern or Google account, at least in my case. So right now we can finish up the setup of our phone. This will give us access to our home screen, which is a crucial part. Now, also additionally, right now, just skip everything that you can skip. It really does not matter how you set up your phone right now, because we still need to factory reset it as a last step. Yeah, so there we go. Oh, there we go. So once it loads up our apps, home screen, you want to navigate into settings. From here, scroll all the way down to system, reset options, erase all data, factory reset, and then erase all data, and press on that button once more. This will then begin factory resetting your device, which done through settings removes the protection that was on this device. Sorry for that. So yeah, once you press on that, it removes the protection that was on this device and fully unlocks the device. Now, I'm not going to go through it on the video just because factory reset is just fully automatic process. So once you begin it, there is nothing really to show, just a black screen and Motorola logo. And once it's completed, you'll be presented again with the setup screen of your phone, at which point you can go through the setup however you like. So with this being said, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.